Over 300 fire incidents have taken place in Gautam Budh Nagar this year. Yet, the fire department remains woefully under-equipped, with only 28 fire tenders for the entire area. Noida and Greater Noida alone have over 1200 high-rise buildings. Yet, there is barely any specialized equipment for these buildings if the unfortunate were to happen. With the repeated requests of the fire department for more equipment having barely made an impact, with only 5 high-rise tenders being provided.
We have a fire high-rise rescue tenders we have already, but we are looking forward to buy a new ones. We are looking forward to buy a 72-meter height and 90-meter height also.
How many are there right now?
We have a 5.
64-year-old C.V. Singh, who lives in the 12th floor of a 20-floor building, bemoans the lack of fire preparedness in his building, stating that there is no fire extinguisher on his floor.
ये इंटरनेट के वायर के लिए होता है और ये वाला होता है मीटर लगे होते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर.
Singh is one of the many victims of the frequently delayed housing projects of Noida.
ये लाइट है जो
Having had to wait 11 years to get possession of his flat, upon which he found his complex to be in a state of disrepair with non-functioning water pipes to douse fire.
पानी के टैंक प्रॉपर चालू नहीं है, रास्ते चालू नहीं है, फायर के पाइपलाइन पूरी कंप्लीट नहीं है, डली हुई है तो उनमें पानी नहीं आता है. तो इस तरह की बहुत सारी समस्याएं हैं.
Singh's case is not isolated. Weber Vasija, who lives on the 21st floor of a high-rise building, also raises similar concerns. According to Weber, he has never been informed about what the fire safety rules in his building are, despite living there for 5 years. Weber, who is the father of 2 7-month-old children, ponders that living on the 21st floor would make it hard for his family to escape in case of an emergency, with the issue coming into focus for him after an incident in Sector 18, where 4 people had jumped from the Krishna Nagar Plaza to escape from a blaze that had broken out in their building.
As far as the safety measures are concerned, I don't think we've been introduced to any such measures which have been taken in the past. What I feel is there should be regular checks on the water sprinklers, which are based out everywhere in the house, on every floor. Apart from that, we do see a whole system of water hose pipes which are connected to the water systems, but then we never know how they operate.
Many high-rise buildings are not following guidelines. The fire department pulled up 125 societies in Gautam Budh Nagar for not having adequate facilities, filing lawsuits against 74 of them.
Around 125 societies, I'm talking about societies which might contain a number of buildings. So these societies, whatever the lacunas, we have given a notice to them, and the 74, out of these 74, we have these lawsuits we have filed against them.
There are thousands of high-rise buildings in Noida and Greater Noida, but there are not even 30 fire tenders in the whole of the Gautam Budh Nagar district. Families like Weber's are imperiled year after year, yet minimal action is taken. Even living in one of the poshest locations of Noida cannot guarantee you something as basic as adequate fire equipment. With camera person Dharmendra Jha, this is Kartikeya Bhattacharya for NDTV.